Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts and quad riders out there. We're talking about the best tire chains for quads in the market, the ROP Shop new 2-link tire chains. Specifically designed to fit Yamaha UTV ATV quad 4-wheeler vehicles. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes these tire chains a must-have for your quad adventures. First off, these chains are specifically designed to fit a range of tire sizes, including 26 by 12 by 12, 25 by 10 by 8, 24 x 10.5 x 12, 24 by 13 by 12, 26 by 10 by 12, 26 by 11 by 12, and 25 by 12 by 12. So, no matter what quad or ATV you own, these chains are built to handle it. Now, let's talk about the specs. The outside links measure 0.191 inches, and the cross links are 0.178 inches thick. With 22 cross chains, you're getting some serious traction when you need it most. These chains come as a pair, and as you can see, they're zinc-plated for durability. Just a quick heads up, the tires you see in the picture are for representation purposes only. So make sure you double-check your exact tire size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Installation is a breeze, and these chains are specifically designed for turf tires, making them perfect for snow and mud. Whether you're plowing through deep snow or tackling muddy trails, these chains will keep you moving forward. So, there you have it, folks, the best tire chains for quads on the market, the ROP Shop new 2-link tire chains. They're built tough, easy to install, and compatible with a variety of tire sizes. You can grab these chains on Amazon.com for just $84.99, and they even ship to India. Plus, if you want to explore more options, there are related products available, including snow chains for cars and SUVs. That wraps up our review of the ROP Shop new 2-link tire chains. If you're a quad or ATV enthusiast who loves taking on challenging terrains, these chains are a game changer. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions down below, and as always, stay tuned for more honest product reviews on Product Critique.